Hey guys, John from John's DIY Playground. Just want to do a quick review today of these SiriusLEDs 9005 super bright LED 6000 Kelvin white fog light. Buy it as a replacement for my halogen fog lights on my 2017 F-150. And at the time of this video in September of 2018, this would likely apply for all of model year 2015 through 2018 F-150s with halogen fog lights. So let's get started. Here's what the stock halogen fog light looks like, and here's what the Sirius one looks like. The LED one has in the front two LEDs with this kind of like it looks like some kind of focusing beam, whereas on the halogen one it's just blacked out. This is going to prove to be important later, and I'll show you why. So these are the different kind of beam patterns you should have with different types of driving lights. And normally your headlights look like this. They shouldn't shine into the rear view mirror of the guy in front of you. These off-road beams obviously would blind somebody coming on, so you don't want that for road. Fog lights are supposed to be like low to the ground but with a wide pattern side to side. But again, low to the ground because it's assumed that fog is up high, whereas opposed to like a flood where it goes wide and very high, much like a fog except for the height. So what happens when I install these? To the right on the driver's side you see the LED fog light, and on the left is the stock halogen. The LED one is clearly much brighter, and when you stand in front of it it's almost blinding. So what I did then is said, let's take another comparison. Let's look at the colors on the side. So again, you can see the yellow versus the white, very bright, a lot easier to see things just in general from the color. I did like that part about it. But let's take it to the garage door. Garage door, now what I'm doing is I'm covering up the LED light and showing only the halogen. So again, like it was in that illustration, the fog lamp is actually only projecting a very low to the ground beam as it should, as it's designed for. Whereas now I'm going to cover up the halogen and show just the LED, and you've got a wide, huge scattering of light. It's basically illuminating the whole door like daylight. You can even see a cat here. It's amazing. So I think because of these two LEDs in the front, that could be one major reason of this kind of performance, but I would not recommend these bulbs for fog lights as a halogen replacement on model year 2015 through 2017 Ford F-150 trucks. Hopefully you learned something today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for when new videos come out. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a great day.